What's up, crypto legends? The price of Bitcoin got a bounce from a major level that we mentioned on yesterday's video update. We do not know where the price is going to go in the next 24 hours. As traders, we have some levels and some setups that do get respected. Now, this is what we mentioned yesterday, the possibility of coming down to $69,500 range, looking for those double, triple bottoms on the lower time frames, previous day value area high. This is the level that we talked about when we were trading at this zone. Get that bounce to come up to test the highs. This is what is happening today here, as you can see, during the last 24 hours. Today, we're going to talk about the most important levels of resistance. If you did get into that long position, I did manage to lock some profits, add to the position. I'm in that position looking for higher levels, possibly. Now, if you are interested in trading, you do have Bybit with an exclusive bonus down below. That is my favorite crypto trading platform. If you cannot use Bybit because of KYC, you have 𝗬cie, guys. That is a great alternative. No KYC, email and password, and you can start trading in minutes. Let's go right away through the scenarios and the most important levels. This is why you're here, for setups, for levels here, just like yesterday's video update. I cannot tell you if Bitcoin's going to hit all-time high or if we're going to drop down to $50,000. I know levels that can be traded with good risk management, just like the ones that are provided here every single day. So let's go right away through those levels, through those possible setups here on the price of Bitcoin. And most importantly, we can see here the bump and run scenario, also something that we mentioned a few days ago. So far, so good. We're getting the breakthrough. We're retracing to get into a nice long position right over here at $69,600 range. Previous day value area high. This was, of course, from yesterday. What is the next scenario? Can we manage to create here another wave to the upside, or are we going to form another wave down? Now, let me explain to you, of course, as you know, that the market moves in waves. So could there be a possibility in forming another wave to the upside? Or are we going to form another wave to the downside first and then get another wave to the upside? Well, let me just explain here the scenarios, because if we do drop beneath yesterday's lows, okay, we're going to talk about yesterday's lows right over here from this pullback. And if this were to be the case, what I would be looking at is a major level of support. Taking a look at the session volume profile, what we do have here is a naked point of control, with also the Fibonacci pivot low to pivot high right there. We have this 618 Fibonacci. This is in confluence with a high volume node, okay, which is very close, as you can see here, all right, sitting at $69,000. This is a naked point of control from Wednesday, the 10th of April. This zone with the 618 Fibonacci, if this were to be the case that we have in a 1, a 2, and the price is going to start falling down here, maybe the price is going to shoot up, okay, I don't know. But we need to be ready for this scenario. If we move down here to this area, this is extremely good level of support, $69,000. High volume node with the 618 with a possible 3-wave move down to then get the bounce to come and test the highs again. Take this into consideration. We need to get a reaction. We need to look for those double bottoms at that range, just like we've been forming here lately, right? We did have this one yesterday. We had one here before yesterday. Really nice. I did manage to long here a little late, but I did manage to recognize that. This is what we want to see, because the price could slice through this level. We need the price stopping here, guys, to take that trading decision. Once the price stops, and we form that consolidation on lower time frames, we can jump in, manage our risk very, very well with our stop losses, okay? No stop losses down here, no catching a falling knife. The price needs to stop. That is when we take action, okay, at this level. If we do take a look at the Fibonacci extension to realize, hey, what if this is going to be an A, a B, and then a C wave down? We take a look at the pivot high here to this pivot low to the next pivot high, right? We could be looking at a 1-to-1 extension, which is just claiming these lows, or even having an attempt to go into the 1-2-3-6, 1-3-8-2, 1-6-1-8. I don't think we're going to reach there because we do have a lot of support here. Naked point of control, 618 Fibonacci from the move to the upside. So just paying attention at this zone. Could it be that we form a failed auction, swing failure pattern? We just test below this low right over here from yesterday, and then we get above it. The only way I could trade this is if we get beneath and then get above here nicely. Of course, looking at that confirmed failed breakout with a couple of attempts, double bottoms, triple bottoms, and then look for that long trigger and then move to the upside. Okay, so there's two scenarios here, two major levels: naked point of control with a 618 and claiming these lows, failed auction, get that choppiness, right? Similar to yesterday's price action, and then look to trigger that long position. This one played out beautifully from yesterday, guys. That previous day, value area high at $69,570, getting that beautiful bounce. Obviously, we didn't get the breakout, but we are testing the highs here above $71,000, okay? This is obviously a good take profit zone. What if we do move to the upside? What are the major levels? If you're not in that long position, guys, well, I think we just gonna have to wait here. Unless you want lower time frame setups, then you want to join the Legends trading community, which you do have the link down below. Legends trading community, where we talk about scalping setups every day. If not, we're looking for the move down, and these are the levels of resistance to take into consideration. This is what we're going to talk about right away. What if the price does move to the upside? Is this going to be bullish? Now, something to take into consideration: we do have a lot of volume, we do have a lot of liquidity, at the $67,300 range. This is why we need to get a reaction, okay? Remember, this zone that we mentioned about a reaction, we need to get the price action stopping. There is a lot of liquidity beneath this low, and the price could just slice through, okay? So no longs here, no limit longs. We need to wait for the reaction. If the price moves up here, breaking yesterday's highs and today's highs, will this be bullish? I'm still considering that this could fail to move to higher levels. However, if we get a high volume break here above previous day highs, this will be looking pretty good, at least to test the highs from the breakout. Then if we struggle to break the highs here from the breakout at the naked point of control here from the 8th of April, we just need to consider taking those profits if we long in here the resistance support flip. If we do create local double tops here at naked point of control, this could not be looking too good. No doubt we will be looking for a short position only if we do create double tops. If we start breaking through here the highs and not creating double top, then obviously we are looking for above $73,000 to be claimed. This is also where we start to have a lot of liquidity. There is a lot of liquidity at 71,800, right? This is basically above yesterday's highs. Pay attention, because there could be a possibility that we could fake out from yesterday's highs. Just grab that liquidity, getting to 71,800. Stay cautious. We could be double topping here. We could be hitting that 7-8 Fibonacci from this high to the low and then get a major pullback. Pay attention here. At this level of resistance, 7-8 Fibonacci, we got a bunch of liquidity right there, almost $1 billion above yesterday's highs. Okay, so we could be pumping a few $100s. Stay cautious, guys. I mean, this could definitely be a massive big fake out. If you do want to short the 7-8, you need to short it at the rejection, manage risk very, very well, or either wait for those double top scenarios and then get the pullback. This just might be a liquidity grab. Look at the liquidity, almost $1 billion, just a few $100s above us, right? At 71,700 range. Pay attention to this level, guys. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. I will be doing a live stream afterwards. There is a chart that we need to talk about. That is the dollar index. We'll be doing some higher time frame technical analysis, lower time frame technical analysis, and taking a look at some very important news in today's live stream in a few hours, legends. Make sure to smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel for more, and I will see you in the next one.